Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Tablescape Tuesday and is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. The guests are At Home with Lisa and myself, Soniadownsouth. And the theme for the Tablescape today is modern earthy tones. And so we're going to be decorating our tables with some earth colors. I am going to be decorating my breakfast table, and it's a table for four, so I'll be decorating for four today. And when you leave my channel, don't forget to go over to the other ladies' channels and watch them as they decorate their table for Tablescape Tuesday. And guys, I'm going to decorate the table and then I'll come back and tell you more about the choices that I've made. Guys, I added a little wreath to the middle of the table, and that it's a DIY project that I just decided to make to just put a little added decoration in the center of the table. And I will be showing it to you at the end when I do the reveal. Here's my finished table, and the colors that I'm using are cream, gold, and sage. Cream is my primary color. As you can see, I have cream, various shades of cream on the table. And gold is my secondary color. My charger and my silverware are gold. And also my napkin ring is gold. And my accent color is sage. I've researched and found that for this fall 2025, sage was one of the colors that was going to be used for 2025. So I decided to put something sage. But all the other colors are earthy tone colors that I decided to use for this tablescape. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoyed watching me as I decorate my table for Tablescape Tuesday. And don't forget to go over to the other ladies' channels and watch their tables as they decorate. They do some amazing work. I hope that you enjoyed it. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. And also, give me some comments. I'd love to hear from you and find out what you think about this table. May God bless you and may God keep you.